Hi, my name is Russ Nesovich. I'm with Nesovich Law. We have offices in Morristown, New Jersey, and in Manalapan, New Jersey. One of the questions that often comes up when I'm dealing with clients regarding their end-of-life care is the difference between a DNR and a living will. They are very, very different documents. A DNR stands for Do Not Resuscitate and is typically an order given by an attending physician in regards to their patient, where they and the patient have decided together that in the event of cardiac arrest, they do not want CPR, they don't want to be resuscitated. Thus the DNR order, Do Not Resuscitate. A living will is different. A living will allows you to create a document that indicates what you want in terms of your care in the event that you are terminal, incapacitated, potentially in a vegetative state, with no chance of recovery and no chance for a meaningful life. Most people nowadays in that circumstance don't want forced hydration, they don't want forced nutrition, they don't want breathing machines, they don't want feeding tubes. They want a pain-free and peaceful death. That is a living will. And it's different from a DNR, which says specifically, I don't want CPR, I don't want to be resuscitated. If you have any questions about those two documents, any other documents related to your healthcare, or estate planning generally, please feel free to give us a call. I can be reached at 856-439-6223. Thank you.